guys, so today we are going to be making the Snowskin Mooncake Premix. What you will need is 75 grams of milk and 105 grams of water. First, I'm going to put the premix into the bowl. Then I'm going to put on some gloves because I'm going to knead it with my hands, and I will put in the water as well as the milk. I've added in my ingredients and I will knead this for about 5 minutes. As you can see, I'm really actively kneading it, really nice and smooth. Make sure there's no lumps at all. Now this is the consistency that you want. Make sure that it's kind of bouncy. There's a packet of cooked glutinous rice flour in a premix bag, and I'm going to gently dust the table with this powder. Now I take my dough, just gonna knead it on the table. Now I'm just gonna make it into a nice tube. Now I'm going to make sure that's cling wrap available as well, because you don't want this exposed, it will dry out. Now this keeps very well for about maximum a day. I also have my fillings ready. I've got different types of flavors. This one is peanut, and I've also got green tea. Now each of them weighs about 30 grams, and the ratio that I use is 20 grams of skin to 30 grams of filling. Now a very quick way to do this without weighing each one of them is to just weigh the first one, and then after that divide it accordingly. So I portioned them out really nice and even. They should look like this, and all I need to do is to just press it flat with a pastry scraper. So I've got these skins all ready, and make sure that you always cover them with cling wrap. So they're also reversible. If you press them too thin, you can actually reverse it and you can make them into a ball again. So you want them really nice and round. Now I'm going to basically put in the filling in the middle. The Snowskin Mooncakes ready. They're all nicely wrapped. I'm going to use different molds. So I've just got a simple mooncake mold here that you can get. And I've chosen a different shape, like a floral shape. If you want to add color into your snowskin, you will add it while we're mixing the dough in the beginning. And I will add a liquid coloring, just 1 drop or 2 drops is more than enough. Just going to put a little bit of the cooked glutinous rice flour into the mold, just to make sure I evenly coat them. And then to dust all the excess flour out, I'm also going to dust some of the powder that is included in the packet of this cooked glutinous rice flour, and I'm just going to dust it over it just so that it doesn't stick to the mold. Then I'm going to press it nicely, the smoother surface in first. Just going to really press it tight. Now you don't want to do this also for too long because it will stick to the mold. And then I'm going to just punch it out. There we go. So I've got the mooncakes ready, and it's actually really easy to make. Made this in half an hour, and this batch you can actually make quite a few mooncakes. You can make them big or small depending on your mold. Now you don't need any fancy equipment. All you really need is just your hands to knead it really well together, and you can get creative with the different fillings. Well, enjoy the Snowskin Mooncakes from Bake at Home with Janice Wong. I'm wishing all of you a happy Mid-Autumn Festival. Enjoy!